In this video, I will discuss about the structure of mature sperm. In case of human beings, the mature sperm is 60 to 62 micrometer in length, and there are four parts of the mature sperm. The one is head, second part is neck, third part middle piece, and the last one is tail. This part is called the head. It is a very much enlarged part of the mature sperm. It contains nucleus, huge amount of nucleus, which is haploid in nature. It contains 23 chromosome, and out of the 23 chromosome there are 22 chromosome is autosomes and one is sex chromosome, which is maybe X or Y. At the apex of this head there is a cap like structure which is acrosome. It contains different kinds of enzymes which help in fertilization. Actually, it helps in to make pore on egg, and then the constricted part, this is the very much constricted region which is called the neck, and this neck, it contains two centriole. The upper centriole is proximal centriole. This is the proximal centriole, and the lower one, which is distal centriole, which gives this is the axial filament. Actually, axial filament is a enlarged part of this distal filament, distal centriole, and after that there is a middle piece. This part is called the middle piece of mature sperm, and it contains, this is the red color region, which is coiled mitochondria. This is coiled mitochondria, and these coiled mitochondria encircle the whole axial filament. This is the axial filament coiled by mitochondria, and after that this long portion is called the tail. And the length of this tail is 40 micrometer, and the whole sperm is surrounded by plasma membrane, and it, with the help of this tail, it can easily swim in a fluid. This is the structure of sperm. Here I will discuss the structure of the mature ovum, which is spherical in shape, and the diameter of this mature sperm is 0.1 to 0.13 millimeter, which is more larger than the mature sperm, and this portion, it is nucleus, which is very much larger, and this is called the, also called the germinal vesicle. The nucleus, there is a prominent nucleolus inside the nucleus, and there is a, this portion is cytoplasm, The cytoplasm of ovum is also known as ooplasm. The cytoplasm towards the periphery, that means exoplasm. In this exoplasm region, there is a granule-like structure, and these granules are called cortical granule. Cortical granules. And the membrane which covers the cytoplasm is called the perivitelline membrane. Vitelline membrane. And there is a second covering which is called zona pellucida. The first covering is vitelline membrane and second covering is zona pellucida. In between this covering there is a space which is called perivitelline space. Vitelline space. And this egg is released as a secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte stage. If it is fertilized with sperm, then it undergoes the second meiotic division and form ovum, that is the mature ovum. And the secondary oocyte stage, this is the secondary oocyte stage, and there is a fast polar body. This is the fast polar body which remains just outside the vitelline membrane, and the side where the fast polar body is present, and this side is called the animal pole, and this portion is animal pole. And the opposite side of this animal pole, that means this portion, is called the vegetal pole. And this is the structure of the mature sperm.